What is up, guys? This is Brandon on Brandoncoin back, and this is the GTX 1050 Ti that I was having overheating problems on, and I put a GTX 750 cooler on it because I don't know, it was a bad idea. My fan on the other cooler was broken, so I just swapped it out with this. But I got me some Noctua NTH1. This is the non-conductive thermal paste, so I'm gonna tear this all apart and see if it helps my temperatures, because this would go instantly after about a minute of mining up to 80 degrees Celsius with 100% fan. So we'll see if that helps. Alright, so I got the cooler off of the card. I'm just going to clean up the die right there and then clean off the old thermal paste. And this thermal paste, by the way, was all crusty and stuff. I think this card on where I had the old fan, it broke. It overheated and just maybe had some cheap thermal paste in there. I don't know. So did something. Alright, guys, check it out. Look how shiny it is. It's really shiny. And then I cleaned off the block right there, nice and smooth. So I'm going to put a little dot right there in the middle of this Noctua. This is what I was recommended, so hope this works good. Comment down below if this is the wrong stuff. Alright, guys, so I just got the thermal paste on there. As you can see, I tried to get a video clip of it. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but now I'm just going to place it back into the system and power it up and see if we run a little cooler. Alright, guys, so I've been doing a quick little burn-in, and as you can see, the GPU temperature has been staying steady at 63 Celsius. That's not bad for a card that is inside of a case, and it's only really got this one fan and one fan right here, so not a ton of cooling. The overclocks are 150 core, 450 memory, and it's doing right at 44 cents right now, or 5,350 satoshis, and we're pulling 11.9 mega hash and 287 mega hash. It's dual mining Dagger, Hashimoto, and Decred. So yeah, it did work. If you have any overheating problems on your graphics cards, you can do that and it will fix it, so to speak, because before that card would get up to 80 in like, you know, a minute, 2 minutes. So yeah, excited to try this out on some of my other cards that are running a little warm. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all later on tonight's daily mining update video.
The cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a fat, and she got ass, that she gon' fuck up her bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, jumping the stash.